Green goodness, plant-based living. Comparative nutrition, plant-based versus omnivorous diets. Welcome back to Green Goodness, your go-to channel for all things plant-based living. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition. Specifically, we'll be comparing the nutritional benefits of plant-based diets with omnivorous diets. Segment 1: Defining the diets. Before we delve into the details, let's clarify what plant-based and omnivorous diets actually mean. Plant-based diet primarily consists of plant foods such as vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, grains, and legumes. May exclude or limit animal products. Omnivorous diet includes both plant and animal foods, such as meat, dairy, eggs, and fish. Segment 2: Nutrient comparison. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty and compare the nutritional aspects of these two diets. Protein. While animal products are high in protein, plant-based sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa can provide adequate protein for most people. Fiber. Plant-based diets are typically rich in fiber, promoting digestive health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamins and minerals. Both diets can meet essential nutrient needs, but plant-based diets often excel in vitamins like C and K and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Segment 3: Fats and cholesterol. Saturated fat. Animal products, especially red meat and dairy, are high in saturated fat, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Plant-based diets tend to be lower in saturated fat. Cholesterol. Animal-based diets contain dietary cholesterol, while plant-based diets are cholesterol-free. Segment 4: Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Plant-based diets offer an abundance of antioxidants and phytochemicals that can protect against chronic diseases. Antioxidants. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. Phytochemicals. These compounds in plants can have anti-cancer properties and support overall health. Segment 5: Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain and heart health. Let's see how both diets stack up. Plant-based. Sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omnivorous. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel offer eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, which are more readily absorbed by the body. Segment 6: Potential concerns. It's important to note some potential concerns for both diets. Plant-based. Risk of vitamin B12 deficiency, so supplementation may be necessary. Pay attention to iron and calcium intake as well. Omnivorous. Excessive intake of saturated fats and cholesterol can lead to heart disease. Consider lean cuts of meat and portion control. Segment 7: Conclusion. In conclusion, both plant-based and omnivorous diets can provide adequate nutrition when well balanced. It ultimately comes down to individual preferences, ethical considerations, and health goals. Segment 8: Viewer Q&A. Now, let's address some questions from our viewers. Can I get enough protein on a plant-based diet? Absolutely. Plant-based sources offer plenty of protein options. Just be mindful of variety and make sure you include beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa in your diet. We want to hear from you. Where are you at in your plant-based journey? Closing. That's a wrap for today's episode of Green Goodness. We hope this evidence-based comparison of plant-based and omnivorous diets has provided you with valuable insights. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is variety, balance, and making choices that align with your values and health goals. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things green and good. Until next time, eat your greens and live plant-powered.